Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm here with a different video. In this video we have a Lenovo laptop. This one is a Lenovo gaming laptop. The model is an IdeaPad L340 gaming. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to open it up and how to increase your RAM for this laptop. This laptop comes with an 8 gig of DDR4 RAM. So as we know that all the games out there, they require you a minimum 16 gig RAM. Let's just get it started. First thing first, you want to flip over your laptop. You want to grab yourself an opening tool. I use the UFIXTEK tool set. You want to use a screwdriver and a bit number 0, Phillips number 0. And what you want to do, you want to start removing all the screws on the bottom cover, including the middle one, the back, every screw that you see on the bottom of the laptop. I already removed all of them. They're all the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. Once you remove the screws, what you want to do, you want to grab yourself a guitar pick. These guitar picks are really handy. They're really tough and they have smooth edges, so it won't scratch easily. So these are way better than the opening tools that they sell. So they're really sharp, but this one is not. It cannot cut you or anything. And it's really suitable to opening laptops or cell phones. Anyway, next you want to open up your laptop in 45-degree angle. And you want to stick the guitar pick between the top and the bottom cover. About 2 or 3 millimeters, just like that. Now what you want to do, you just want to twist it around. You're going to hear some clicking. Walk around, go in front all the way to the corner, and you want to do the side. Make sure you hear those clicks. You see, I'm just like an opening can. Don't worry about it. Just stick it about 1 or 2 millimeters down there and just twist. And once you did the side and the front, close it down. Grab it from the side, wiggle it around, and go to the back side. Move it around, and there's a clip right here, and then just pull it up. There's your bottom cover. You can go ahead and clean up this mesh, because this is the dust mesh. With a toothbrush or an air can, you can just go ahead and clean up this mesh right there. All right, next down here we have the whole laptop. The RAM is located right under this cover. And so in order to remove this cover, you want to grab it from the both side here and just lift it up, just like that. Simple as that. You see this cut right here, even cut? It's just actually they dry right on the board, so you cannot put it the other way around. It must go. These clips right here, they're gonna hold this cover. All right, once you remove this one right here, you can see right here it says 8 gig. Is a PC4 2606 hertz. So in order to remove this, again, you do not need to remove the battery. People always like, I remove the battery before doing anything. You do not need to. There's no voltage coming through the rail here, so you cannot shorten or do anything right there, nor to the hard drive or Wi-Fi or anything like that. But if you want to be extra cautious, you can just grab this cable right here, jack, and pull it towards the battery, slide it, and it will just disconnect, but you don't need to. Anyway, to remove the RAM, you just have to pull these two triggers away, and the RAM is going to come up in 45-degree angle. Watch there, and you can see the RAM came up in 45-degree angle. Now what you want to do, you want to grab it from the middle of the RAM, and you want to pull it in a 45-degree angle. Don't yank it up, otherwise you're going to break the contacts right over there. So always pull it the same angle that it came out. All right. Now there's only one DIMM in here. There's no 2 DIMM. So you have to remove this 8 gig and grab yourself a new RAM. Unfortunately, this is another 8 gig. I'll leave the link in the description for 16 gig RAM. You can buy a 32 stick RAM and place it in here. Also, you can see at the on the board, they could have soldered some RAM on the board, but on this version they didn't. And I don't know why they don't put an extra DIMM right here. Easily they could have, but they didn't, or at least put the RAM chips in there. Anyway, let's say you get the new RAM in. So grab the new RAM. Make sure the notch right there has to match the notch right on the DIMM. If you try to put it the other way around, it will not match and it will not go through. So the notch has to match, and you want to align it in 45-degree angle the way it came out. Some goes in really smooth, some you have to hold it from here and push it in all the way in, and then push it towards the motherboard, and you're going to hear 2 triggers just like that. Once you hear those triggers and it stays straight, you're all set. Alright, so I'm just going to remove this one right now. I'm going to order a new one with a 16 gig because I made a mistake, I guess. So grab the new RAM in, put it in 45-degree angle, push it all the way to the motherboard. Once you got that one in there, grab the cover, make sure this angle right here matches the white drawing right on the board. Place it on top, align it, and push it towards the motherboard. Once you got that done, you pretty much are done. Connect the battery if you disconnected already. Grab the bottom cover, set it right on top, straight. Press a little bit right in the middle, you hit one click. You're going to open it up a little bit, and you want to pinch the top and the bottom cover. You don't want to pinch it together with the LCD, otherwise you can damage the screen. So pinch it like this. And now close it. Go back and the back too. So push down in here. If you see any opening, you can actually pinch it anytime later on. Once you boot it up, it might take about 5 to 10 or 15 seconds to recognize the new RAM, so don't panic. And if it didn't work, disconnect, remove the RAM, place it back again, try it 1 or 2 times, and it should eventually read it. Again, the last part is to put back in the screws where you removed. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys liked it, click that thumbs up button, and if you have any questions, requests, leave them in the comment area and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. And I hope you guys subscribe, because that helps and motivates me to make more video and answer your comments. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.